Welcome back to Broken and Smoking. Me and the youngest kid here, MJ, got a little head start out here and took the transmission out of Levy's Liberty. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I found on that, sitting back here on the transmission jack. Go back there and show them. So apparently I'm not the only one that welds up bell housings. We pulled it out and I got to looking. There's a weld right there. Coming around the backside, right across here. Just on this little ear though. So I'm in debate if I'm gonna rebuild this one or a core that I've got out in the other shop. But I mean, it's just this little area right here. So I'll probably just let it slide because I know exactly what this one was doing, as in, you know, the famous reverse clunk, and just go ahead and go through that one or this one and hang on to my core for maybe a little something heavy horsepower. But then again, heavy horsepower I can remove this bell housing and put an ultra bell on this one since it's already broke, right? Decisions. Anyways, we're gonna get back to pulling this engine out. And I went ahead, took these off on each side and got it propped up with a 2x4. Every man's second choice for a propper. And hopefully we can get down in here and yank that up with the Mahindra without damaging a one-off hood, because it ain't like I can duplicate that. What do you think?
I think we can do it.
Yeah, I think we can do it too. Welcome to Broken and Smoking.
Got it.
Now hit the button. Keep on. Alright. Pull it, see? Pull it off. See it back here? No, that right there. Heard that crack. There's a distributor cap cracking because ain't nothing supporting that motor back there. It's alright, go ahead. Hold your ratchet straight. Go. Alright, does it look out?
No, yeah.
You gotta keep up your bolts. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Now we got vacuum hose, vacuum. And there's a big one on the back.
See.
Right here. Make sure nothing falls down that.
What's that stuff on there?
Huh?
What was leaking?
That was gas.
Oh, that's what I smell. Oopsie doopsie.
Whoops.
Yeah, whoops. That's a big whoopsie.
That must have been the metal clip that went. Now here's that one thing I was just talking about. One of your hairs.
Oh, huh.
Man, this is coming. Know why?
Why?
Because we're fixing to have to undo this radiator.
Oh. Like a sledgehammer.
Got some Earls in it.
Girls. Ew.
Drop it on the truck. I'm gonna have your ass in mine.
Bleep that out.
Raise the truck up. Right there.
Hey, it's about 25% of the bucket.
25%.
Yeah.
So that's a quarter. Right?
Yeah. Bye. Then I think you probably 10% is on the ground.
That's a dime.
I know that.
This is a transmission.
Yeah, I'm gonna re-put in the
Well,
window,
they
so
work
stop.
good for here too. Well, we better get on the Mahindra and use it for its intended purpose, jerking motors out. After we do some juggling around. That's how you take a motor out with the hood on and using a Mahindra. Let's go over here and see if it's an actual 350 or not. It's a 010. We'll have to do some more research and see if it's a 4-bolt or not. It could be, I have no idea. But we'll use it in something. I'll probably put it back in that red 4-wheel drive back there, to be honest with you. I just might sell it. I don't know, I debated on it. Yep, I'm gonna sit down here in my Goodwill chair, procrastinate some more. Let's see what's next. Guess we can drop.
Sorry, I couldn't skip this.
My phone's talking to me. But I guess we can go ahead and get the big block ready. Drop it in there. Probably spray paint firewall, make it look decent. Might clean up the wiring. Who knows? Well, thanks for watching.